what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt an experiment. It works like 50% of the time. So if it doesn't work, please forgive me. It is perfectly safe. What can possibly go wrong, right? It was a mallet. So this is just a typical glass that you get from the supermarket, a bottle. It had elderflower, I think, something like that. Nothing much will happen. They make these very sturdy because, you know, they get a bit of rough treatment, so they wouldn't break just like that. This is regular tap water. It has a sign that says, no, don't drink, and the gents over there, so I won't try to prove that it's just water, but take my word for it. There's nothing explosive here. It's not necessary to be completely full. So I'm going to try something now. As I said, 50%. So I'm going to hit it a few times, not full force, so to speak. There is a sound cue there. So you may notice that there is an extra sound that shouldn't be there, okay? So that was fun and wet. But if someone tells me now that they saw what really happened, I'll argue that you're lying. Fortunately, we have good friends. This is Tad Truscott from the Splash Lab at Utah State University, who actually did point a high-speed camera on my bottle, effectively. And this is what he saw. He saw that when it gets hit, you get this array of small bubbles there. So let's look at that here. That they expand and collapse. Okay? So I didn't pick this experiment. Like, you know, randomly bubbles play a role into this discussion. Basically, what happens is that the glass wants to go down, but the water doesn't know that it wants to go down. Isaac Newton has instructed the water, stay put. So you create this gap over there, and void doesn't play well with nature. So when this collapses back, it creates a very dramatic, a very drastic effect.